to the big one.
Okay.
Your finger for big one.
Yeah, yes. Okay.
So continue. We make this one, the flower on the.
Ah, yes.
So you already make it?
No.
Yeah. So yeah, I can. Yeah. Bu, busuk bu. Bu, tuwes tuh
So we make flower like this.
Yeah. Bu, tuwes tuh bensek bu. Kene ini caranya ngain banget. Tunsap. Yeah. So my mom will give another. Jangan busung. Bu, tuwes atau sih tunsap ngain. Tuwes sama ya bu. 1, 2, 3. Huh? Ya, it's okay. Just
It's okay.
itu more. Kok mau ibu contohnya bu?
Ini lah bu kira-kira ya.
Iya. So, well, I will explain you. This is the simple, like this.
Wow.
Did you already make it? No. Oh yeah. So this one for me. Oh you already? No. This is small. We need a bit, yeah. So well, same also the process. We cut of course the first. And usually we use like.
At the end.
Kalau ini berarti di sini boleh.
Like the sample like this. And then the double like yeah. The fingers. You can do like this. The simple. And then the double. Yep. Yeah. Perfect. Yep.
Okay. So,
So some we cut first.
we don't remove the green?
Wait second.
Ah.
Cut like this.
Okay. Oh. Yes.
Cut. I tell you, this is the size. And then the double.
No.
Here.
Yep. Cut first. Okay, everything. And then we do like this.
Okay.
Right?
Fold it.
Like this.
Fold it. Yep.
We do like this. Yep. And then we take off the green one first.
Okay. We don't like green.
Yep.
Start from there.
Yeah. Slowly. Okay. Great. Make sure don't touch the face. Ini nih jauh sedikit. Okay.
Di kanan. Yang kuning di bawah sama.
Yes.
Yep. And then we out this one in the middle. So we just make this. If you a bit flat, just like this.
Like,
So we just quick half.
like this?
Yeah. Just a bit, and then if you a bit flat, you just like.
We can just rip off the
Yeah. Easy.
central part of the leaf. Okay. Done. Now I got this.
After like this. Like this.
Now we need to open it.
No. Still good.
Keep it folded for now.
Keep it for good. Like this, like the sample, like this. And then we start like this. Make a art, like a bit. Look like this. And then go straight. And then the other behind also.